In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear in and out points in Davinci Resolve, which is a crucial skill for video editing. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned editor, knowing how to efficiently manage your timeline is essential to maintain a smooth workflow. Let's dive right in and make sure you've opened your Davinci Resolve application. This can be either the free version or the studio version, depending on what you have access to. Once you've got the program up and running, you should be able to see your timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. It's the area where you can assemble your clips, cut them, and arrange them into the perfect sequence for your video project. Now, before we proceed with clearing in and out points, let's make sure you understand what in and out points are. These points are essentially markers in your timeline or in your clips that define a certain segment. It's extremely helpful if you want to focus on editing a particular part of your video without affecting the rest. However, there might be times, either when you've finished with a particular section or you decide you don't need those markers anymore, that clearing them becomes necessary. Here's how to do just that. First, navigate to the top menu bar of Davinci Resolve. You'll want to look for the Mark option, which, depending on your screen resolution and window size, might be a little tucked to the right among the other options. Once you've located the Mark menu, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear, displaying several options. Now, what we're interested in is the option that says Clear In and Out. By clicking this, any in and out points that you have set in your timeline will be removed. This is a handy option if you've decided to reassess your editing decisions or if you want to start afresh with your edits. The process itself doesn't affect your actual clips or their positioning within the timeline. It merely clears the in and out markers, freeing you to set new ones if needed. With those click steps, you're done. Just like that, you've cleared the in and out points on the timeline in Davinci Resolve. While it's a simple action, understanding how it fits into a larger workflow will ultimately make you a better editor. Now you can continue managing your edits with greater precision. As you grow more familiar with these tools and techniques, your efficiency and speed in video editing will only increase. Thanks for following along with this process. Happy editing!